Hey folks, this day got off to a pretty good start with showers and thunder showers in the eastern part of the valley moving west, but the last couple of hours it has all disappeared. There's just nothing left out there. So the places that got rain were the lucky ones because everybody else is dry now. Should be dry for the rest of the night. There could still be a pop-up shower in one or two places, but I really think we're about done for the night. And the satellite shows how things did flare up on the sea breeze and some more stuff down to the south. But again, that should be just about the end of it. Temperatures have stayed a little bit cooler because of the extra cloud cover. So tonight we go mainly clear overnight. Then during the daytime tomorrow we see some sunshine again. But again, the sea breeze tries to activate, so we could see spotty stuff form near the coast early afternoon and spread inland again. But it's much more mist than hit yet another time. You go on to Sunday, same kind of thing, kind of a mix of clouds and sun, but I think the showers and thunderstorms on Sunday are going to be tough to find. I think we're talking really isolated, if not they're gone completely for Sunday. And then Monday, a little more moisture sneaks in, so we could see a spotty shower again. So we're not looking at a very good chance. Even tomorrow, 20%, so spotty stuff, but really isolated Sunday and Monday. On Sunday, there may be nothing at all. I could see Sunday being a dry day, but maybe one or two spots pick up a brief shower. So your weekend plans should be okay. Just tomorrow, that shot of shower, thunder shower. Temperatures down a little bit because of the clouds and the scattered showers today, 90 to 95 in most places. A little warmer in Rio Grande City, of course. Winds out of the east right now at about 16. The humidity at 59%. Add that humidity to the temperature. Here's what you get. Feels like it's about 100 or so at the coast. Feels like 99 in Harlingen. Feels like 103 in McAllen. Again tonight, low temperatures end up in the upper 70s and low 80s with winds out of the east-southeast about 5 to 10, and then tomorrow the southeast wind kicks in again at 10 to 20 with temperatures up to about 100 plus in McAllen. Everybody else back into the 90s again. Normal high now is 95. We're going 99 and back up to 100. So with some drier air coming in for Sunday into Monday, that's going to allow temperatures to go back up just a little bit. Here's where we stand now. There's not a triple-digit reading on that map for a change. 98 in Laredo. There's one, Zapata 100, 99 in Austin, 97 in San Angelo at this hour. Most of Texas has been pretty quiet today, except right on the coast where the sea breeze triggered a little bit of activity, and the big ridge aloft is really controlling things. And that ridge is going to kind of move off to the east over the next couple of days, and the flow in the Gulf is going to come out of the southeast. And while there's moisture in the Gulf, that means most of it is going to go toward the northwest and be just to the north of us. And we're going to be on a drier section of that air mass, if you will. So yes, we could see isolated showers, but we're talking really isolated because the biggest batch of moisture is up here from Houston eastward to Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. There's not much left down here. So while again, we can't rule out a brief isolated stray shower, for the most part, it's dry. Same thing for Monday. A little more moisture maybe, but not much. Then next week, the flow starts to kind of shift this way a little bit. A wave gets into the eastern Gulf. All those things come together to bring the shower chance back, at least a slight chance for the second half of the week. A lot of moisture in the Gulf, but again, most of it headed toward the northern Gulf. We're kind of on the edge. This system that's over Hispaniola right now still has about a 10% chance of developing once it gets into the eastern Gulf, but again, that flow likely carrying it northward. And then in the far eastern Atlantic, tropical depression number 6 has formed off the coast of Africa with 35-mile-per-hour winds. That's forecast to become a tropical storm later tonight, early tomorrow morning, and then eventually it strengthens, but notice the Hurricane Center never takes it up to hurricane force, 70 miles per hour, then back down to 65, and it stays out in the open Atlantic at least for the next 5 days. So for tonight for the valley, temperatures bottom out in the upper 70s again. Any showers that pop up this evening will go away very quickly, and then tomorrow back up to 99. Isolated storms, probably not even as active as today, with a southeast wind most of the day. 99, then 100 for Labor Day. Boy, I tell you, there could be a shower, but it'll be tough to find. Very isolated. Then the middle of next week, we take the rain chance back up again, and look what that does to temperatures. Makes it a little bit cooler for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and even on Friday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.